What's the meaning of clangorous? Clangorous. Clangorous.
Clangorous. Clangorous. Clangorous is an adjective that describes a loud, harsh, and often metallic noise, like the sound of banging pots and pans together. The word is often associated with the clanging of heavy metal objects or the cacophony of a noisy environment. When something is described as clangorous, it implies that it produces a jarring and unpleasant sound that can be difficult to ignore. This type of noise can be disruptive and overwhelming, making it challenging to concentrate or communicate effectively. Overall, clangorous sounds are loud and dissonant, causing discomfort and irritation to those within earshot.